Welcome to episode 14 of Hospitality Reinvented. I'm your host, Doug Radkey, and today we are continuing on with our mini-series on the strategic playbooks you need to start or scale or reinvent your business. Now, we've gone over feasibility studies, conceptual playbooks, prototype playbooks, and brand strategy playbooks. So what is in store for today? Today's episode is all about technology or building out your tech stack. If you are already operating, let me ask you something. Is your tech helping your business, or is it holding you and your business back? Because as we move forward here in this industry, if you are still running your bar, your restaurant, or your hotel without a proper tech stack, you are setting yourself up for a world of hurt. The hospitality industry, it continues to evolve, and guests expect seamless transactions in real-time updates and a frictionless experience. Operators, they need data and efficiency and automation to maximize that revenue and streamline their operations. Yet, I walk into businesses all the time where technology is either non-existent, it's outdated, or completely disconnected. And the result is chaos, inconsistencies, lost revenue, high labor costs, and poor guest experiences. So let's talk about the solution to all of these challenges, and that is the development of a tech stack playbook. Now, first things first. A Tech-Stack Playbook is not just a list of tools. It is your technology strategy, a structured framework that ensures every piece of tech that you implement is aligned with your business model and your guest expectations and your operational goals. The problem is most operators make one of two mistakes. They either invest in random tech with no real strategy, maybe because they've seen something online or had a sales rep reach out to them selling all of them their amazing features. This will more times than not lead to disconnected systems and even more operational headaches. Or they avoid tech altogether, thinking maybe they're saving money or sticking to the art of hospitality with no need for technology, or they just personally hate technology. Now, here's the reality. You are leaving money on the table and you're leaving your business in the past. Neither approach here works. You need a playbook that maps out the right tools, integrates them effectively, and ensures that they work in sync to drive efficiency and enhance guest experiences and maximize profitability. So let's break down this piece by piece. The first thing you want to look at is your primary POS and PMS systems. This is the heart of your operations. Now, your point of sale system, your POS system, is more than just a way to take payments. It is it's your command center. It should provide real-time sales tracking and integrated inventory management and labor productivity management as well. It should provide seamless payment processing and a full suite of analytics to drive smart business decisions. If you run a hotel, your property management system and PMS system needs to do even more, handling reservations and revenue management and housekeeping schedules and guest communications and so much more, all in this one streamlined platform. The key here is choose a POS or PMS system that integrates with your entire tech stack requirement. Because if your systems, if they don't talk to each other, you're creating more work, not less. Now, what's one of the biggest mistakes that I see out there? One of the biggest mistakes is an operator who doesn't own their guest data. If you are relying purely on other third parties, you're letting someone else control your guest relationships. A customer relationship management system or a CRM system ensures that every interaction is logged, is tracked, and leveraged for personalized marketing and repeat business. Now, what about revenue management? The right revenue management system or RMS system takes the guesswork out of your pricing strategy. It uses real-time data to adjust pricing based on demand and seasonality and inventory and cost of goods and guest behavior, ensuring that you're not leaving money on the table. Now, hotels use revenue management systems to adjust room rates very dynamically. Restaurants and bars can do the same with dynamic menu pricing and special promotions and even demand-driven offers. Now, the question is, are you truly optimizing your pricing strategy, or are you just guessing? And what about the silent profit killer in most hospitality businesses? If you are still doing inventory manually, you are bleeding money. 100%. An inventory management system is going to allow you to track usage in real time and also reduce waste. That allows you to automate your reordering process and prevent theft and shrinkage and so much more. Margins in this industry are far too tight to be guessing on inventory. Your tech stack should eliminate all of this guesswork and save you an absolute ton of time and resources. Now, how about the technology inside your bar and your kitchen? Your kitchen and your bar should run as efficiently as your front of house. This means integrating kitchen display systems or KDS, to eliminate lost tickets and speed up service and improve communication between the kitchen and the front of house. This really means also having automated inventory tracking that syncs again with your POS to track ingredient usage in real time. This means using smart beverage management systems as well that will measure inventory down to the ounce, or systems that will monitor pour accuracy, which will reduce waste and maximize your profit margins. This means also having temperature and equipment monitoring that ensures food safety and compliance and prevents costly equipment failures. Technology in the kitchen and the bar isn't just about speed. It's about consistency and cost controls and delivering an exceptional guest and staff experience. Now, what about, digital ordering and room service? There's in-room tablets and there's mobile ordering that's all integrated to your POS and your bar, your kitchen, or QR menus that are, dynamic and not just driving guests to a PDF copy of your menu. A strong ordering platform ensures that guests can order and customize and pay seamlessly, whether it's at their table, from their hotel room, or for takeout and delivery at home. And now here's the real kicker. The faster and easier you make it for your guests to spend money, the more money they're going to spend. So you need to understand the entire guest journey here and create a frictionless experience for your guests. Now, I mentioned it briefly, a moment ago. What about labor? Labor is one of your biggest expenses, and it's also going to be one of your biggest challenges. If you are still scheduling manually, you are making life harder than it needs to be. A scheduling system should automate shifts based on demand and also productivity. It should allow staff to swap shifts easily and allow you to track labor costs in real time. And it should provide training tips. It should, allow your staff to score their shift or even provide feedback on their shift. Better scheduling technology, it means lower labor costs, happier staff, and smoother operations. Now, what about the guest-facing technology? Hospitality, it's not just about service, right? It's about providing seamless experiences. That means integrating a variety of touch points like maybe mobile check-ins or keyless entry or having AI-powered, chatbots for some instant guest assistance before it needs to even reach a real person on your team. Technology should enhance hospitality, not replace it. When used correctly, it creates, again, that frictionless experience that keeps guests coming back time and time again. I cannot say this enough. And then there is, of course, your marketing technology. Marketing is no longer just about, using social media, putting out some ads and hoping for the best. It's also not just about the need to use social media in general. While social media is technology, social media is just one single tool. The right marketing tech allows you to have a more integrated strategy. Marketing technology allows you to track campaign performance and, again, real time. It allows you to build a profitable database of your targeted guests. It allows you to obtain real-time guest feedback and automate personalized follow-ups for guest retainment and also repeat visits. And if you are not using data-driven marketing, you might as well, burn your damn marketing dollars away. Now, what about technology for maintenance and also your SOPs? There is technology available that helps you be proactive instead of reactive. A broken fridge or leaking pipe at the wrong time can cost you thousands of dollars. Yet most operators run on a reactive system instead of a preventative one. A proper maintenance management system, or MMS, helps you track and schedule repairs and prevent costly breakdowns and streamline operations to avoid that downtime. Now, if you pair that with some digital SOPs and checklists so that every team member knows exactly how to execute, you've eliminated 90% of your operational chaos. There is so much to unpack here with technology, and I barely even touch the power of AI, which I might save for another future episode. If you don't have a tech stack playbook, you are setting yourself up for failure, period. Your systems should work together, though, not in silos. Every tool should be aligned with your business strategy. It should be controlling costs. It should be increasing efficiencies, and it should be enhancing the guest and staff experience. This is no longer the future of hospitality. This is the present. This is now a non-negotiable. If you are not embracing technology, you're going to get left behind if you're not already there. So are you running your business like it's 2025 or 2030, or are you stuck in 2015 and 2020? Get the right systems in place, build your playbook, and starting and scaling your business the right way. Thank you for listening to Hospitality Reinvented. If you found value in this episode, please like, share, comment, leave a review. It really helps spread the message, and it helps reinvent what success looks like in this industry. Next week, we are talking marketing playbooks. You will not want to miss out on that one either. Until next time, stay bold, stay strategic, and let's keep reinventing hospitality together.